Okay, here we go. I'm used to doing this at my desk and everything's right under my nose. So bear with me for my debut video. I've seen a lot of videos and I know mine won't be the worst one. Here we go. Okay, I've already folded everything. And I'm hoping because I'm on camera that I don't get so nervous that I forget what I'm doing. Yeah, I'll just talk while I'm doing it. I'm using a glue here rather than the tapes and everything that take longer. Okay, the first thing I do, I put the two pieces together. The printed side on the inside. Like I say, I've got this camera right in front of me, so I can't see. Excuses, excuses. Okay, so that's glued, and notice there's all kinds of glued smeared here. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I fold all these little things. I've seen people do it other ways, but gosh, I like mine the best. And I glue the little end. Then I put it right up close to this line and the fold here. Like I say, I usually see it a lot closer. Oh, this is a little embarrassing. And I'm working on a piece of styrofoam. Okay, we'll just glue that. Okay, if everything's not glued and everything perfectly, it'll still give you the idea, and I just won't send this to anyone. So we put our three pieces in there, and I love that glue, by the way. For me, it makes it so easy because I just put them together so that I can take their picture for submitting my design to Silhouette. I have to keep looking up at the camera to see if I can still see it. This isn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I just wish I was used to working so far away. Okay, you have your three pieces down. Then I pull them up because my glue will kind of, be on the inside. Okay, see there? There's your three little shelves. Okay, now, whoops, are we out of the picture? Let me move my camera just a tad. Okay, now I glue this end point. This is the fun, easy part. And I've glued it to the styrofoam. Cool. Okay. Glue the ends of the little folded tabs. And as I say, I'm a little messy here, but that's just so that I don't have an 8-hour-long video for you. Okay, see how that is? And then these little ends are folded here. Then I pop those down and I pull it up, and all I do is fold it together like that. Kind of wait a second, and then open it, and I don't fold these flaps down until after I've opened it. Glued everything, and then you leave the one flap high. And then it never opens. Oh, we'll get it open. Okay, something went buggy. Usually this is so easy. Oh, I left the wrong flap up. But anyway, usually it's just so simple. But as I said, I'm not used to working this far away from what I'm working on. It's usually right on my desk, right in front of me. But you straighten those up. These aren't the way they will turn out. Mine are backwards. They should be a little embarrassing, but usually they're like beautiful. And they're the easiest part, normally. But anyway, you can straighten them and it's pretty simple. And then what I do is go back and forth a couple of times. Not so much the other way, but like this. And then they'll be straight. And the whole thing will be straight. And it'll look so much better than this. And then you just stick all your little elements onto the things. Then you have this. But then what I do is I put the little label on the outside, and then I put a ribbon around it and tie it here, and then it's okay for mailing. And you could put elements, some of your, print them twice and have some of your elements and put here. I just leave them white, or you can do it exactly the same way, and then your flaps will be white though. So I just do it this way. Some of my newer ones, I've gone ahead and made extra pieces to put on the top, and I do them in reverse so that the design is on the outside and the inside is white, and then I have tabs, but that's only on my newer ones. And I noticed this is the way most of them I've seen have been. So I hope that helps. If not, let me know and we'll figure something out, and I can make another wonderful video since I've done so well with this one. Ha ha. Anyway, Linnell, good luck. I hope it works. Let me know. Stay in touch. Okay, ta-ta.